Wayo came, Kakari, all these people will change the game. I think we take the 3 points. That's the important thing.
But your side started so well in the first half. In the second half, will you say your boys lost concentration in the second half?
Yes, we lost concentration when we came from the dressing room. I don't know what happened, but the important is we take the 3 points. The rest, I will correct it in the training ground.
What do you make out of Accra Lions' second goal?
I don't want to talk because when I talk,
I saw you on the bench. You were so angry. That's what I'm asking.
Yes, I'm angry because of sometimes when you are breeding the nice hotel and you didn't get the good people to us around, is problem.
You always speak in parables. What do you mean by when you're building a nice?
Your reply yourself is parables. You understand? When the director of the hotel can't make some things, it's difficult for us. But me, I don't want to.
So in this case,
mention the name of some corporations. But that's why I say sometimes it's difficult for us to understand. You see, I call my people. They don't touch anybody. Let the referee do. We need to score. We can score. We score it. That's the way it is. It's important.
What do you make out of officiating today?
I'm coach. I can give the note for my players, but for the officiating, I don't have anything to say.
Your next game is against Legon Cities. What should we expect?
We need the 3 points. Whatever is happy, we are going to fight it to get the 3 points. The fighting spirit is part of the ADN. I don't know ADN, the blood of Accra Suffolk, and we need the 3 points because of. After the league, we are contabilizing the points, not the passes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Coach Watara. So, Coach Watara.
Yama tiefoni adofo nyina kwaba enso so mfamara dwumadi so ene day yede more update no enso so ana itimba transfer update ewa ha yebedi nkomo na nkomo na yebedi no hato folk chefawom Asante Kotoko chefawom obi anso benyane de afei bewuram adi nkomo the Ghana Football Association so asoye na bibia so na itima koso Ghana Football and a so let us cherish our own. And then first time I should my dear subscribe, share for comment to the comment section. Now face so watch share program no I like it at the amaye. So face watch where the can subscribe so now feel like it I share at the comment to comment section. Na bibia so etimi akoso kama. Nyankopon shraw senede so no what you see so betie eye dwumadie yamfa update no enso so intimi family yetie for Ghana Premier League match day 16 enso be has here Nyamboa Friday na chese games no enso so betima akoso Hatfield and Legon Cities and Ebo Bechem United and Heart of Lions and Bebo Mediama and Asante Kotoko Dreams FC and Accra Lions Vincent FC Ninswatreman Bibiani Gold Stars and Brekum Chelsea Nations FC and Holy Stars and so and a debaponi Ghana Premier League match day 16 and I say round 16 and so 18 emu na me pacha ma Samson Eduku update first and sakrana yetime di ades no enso so etimi atwo so na bibia so na tima koso me pacha otie Samson Eduku player bi a chese 25th December 1995 and I just say yawo Samson Eduku so 29 years and I wedi where third boy e won second takrade and I just say Samson Eduku where forward I just say Ghana Premier League and I say Oba Ghana has a timer Samson Eduku has a ball amihunu was 2013-2014 now we seen kai edema 11 wise that year no ball 9 or ball 15 games and I was say say 9 goals and so edema 11 wise after 2014 to 2017 and obesi aka edema Cairo United 71 games 31 goals ofru ono 2018-2019 season no okoboma Elmina Sharks hono okobo 7 games and was here 2 goals after 2019-2020 Okobo second year Azakes about 10 games near France 6 goals. Ufono called Tamale City no share 14 goals. They provided 3 assists at the Tamale City. Free Tamale City no and I just say onya Iraq contract. I just say free Ghana copium or Iraq 1 year contract. Not just on a suit me boy. Emma Iraq club. And I said no suit me course. Na a bra boy for us Samson Eduku return BPM our Ghana no. Na just say we need team for us Asante Kotoko. And I timi I training na training let me akoswate ninyana say na omo train player status committee no some so bitimi a clear boy no na me pacho player status committee no so etimi hwe anymore ma bibia so no timi koso kama na ITC ne bibia enso so etimi aba na wo Kotoko so na Kotoko fo no enso ehwe se amoso ebe register no na bibia so no etimi koso na ma din komo both Asante Kotoko ene how to focus so etie die wom enie okọ team I fan say Asante Kotoko so ya omono say boy I fan say Samson Eduku no omo be sign Samson Eduku enti oya Kotoko for we fan afashe witirim say Samson Eduku player Kotoko be sign no omo wie boy fan say Isaac Minta till new year next Samson Eduku according to my source from team my friend say Asante Kotoko no and I just me so etimi ede amount Kotoko for say omo boy no my training ache and omunim say boy no so betimi aboa mo enti omu nyai Samson Eduku ama Samson Eduku enso so entimi enko and I feel so no other side of the story no what to say Samson Eduku to team my friend say Accra to folk ama nano kwa no me and so a catcher of say Abubakar Watara head coach at the team your friend is Accra to folk on one moon a far phone at the fray players be our Asante Kotoko one Samson Eduku and Samson Eduku and so etimi edin komo amache se Samson Eduku nkomo no eguso eno so ekoso now no wono ene Watara but imetima catcher won say Samson Eduku deal no Ufa Kotoko ni hato foka Kotoko head of team your friend say Accra to folk opanye friend say Abubakar Watara ana pushi senensa ebeka Samson Eduku onum say ofre boy I friend say Frederick Asari ana Asari ka chene say oni de wo hwe foreign contract bi anim as a foreign contract no anso say didia obepiem hato folk ana wa fresh Samson Eduku when you go so etimi edin komo and we said yes free boy no enso so story no mo so etimi eba meti enso so etimi ematifo na according to Kotoko for no say Samson Eduku omo prepare a contract at say 2.5 years medebema Samson Eduku and I had to folk Watara so epushi medical catcher was had to folk this season transfer windows no the bacho open fan say Abubakar Watara open fan say Dr. Terari Anku Adiama on your managing director and open fan say Alhaj Akambi Brima omo and I just omo ye recruitment amatima your fan say Accra to folk obia wakabianka this season recruitment 3 empany for our to fokum and I just almost transfers no into Samson Eduku deal no Kotoko force 2.5 years and I prepare for boy for Samson Eduku Watara and so pushy hard senensa ebeka Samson Eduku and if you boy na so na semeti and so etimi edema na Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria just an opinion trend and story trendy pa social media no so Kotoko for the nam ha to folk for him nam ha say uncle ebi swamra atias ni na so cause nam Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria nanu dey just be against him ho na just boy you cry no side ma Dreta FC o Kosovo na Salifu di obejano Kotoko dabe na just say okoye cry no 13 appearance faces no 1 goal 1 assist na no kan go bi a share na just say FA just say come post no go na and I'm say Sadia we say me wuram o Kotoko side me bisa sense ho na just say boy the phone say Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria no opa obesi akan timi dim komo o Kotoko so no Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria de obia na Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria enso so intimi name komo and I just omo Kotoko for no cramp omo contacte boy phone say Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria say o me sign kra no enso so ema Kotoko just transfer windows in this story na just eno nam social media nso no e false story atiase eno kra enya no kre ana atiase amanfo bi ha say publish that negative story no entiane ye said ye nso siti Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria de I mean can't say we Dreta FC e wo Kosovo mu player atiase ono esi akan e wo atiase ono so ni manyina e koso kama e de ma no because okwa esika na wonye dudu bia atiase na control terminative contract na sa bagana Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria age na wo no okonya club with the Dreta e Kosovo o se bagana be dey because Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria no wonyine kunanim ti se wanya Dreta sika na wode be ma no wode bagana hasia club bia na obetua sa so ati ase enti no story me hu ya na so no we dey enya no kwenti Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria story no misro it's not true ha sansem na kokoso no it's not true says Salifu Ibrahim Di Maria to tima ye fane say Asante Kotoko no madin komo enso so etimi akọ ati se Kotoko fo no kire se eno so entimi entisa young apostles and so etimi aso interest our case goalkeeper France Kabiru Muntari sakura we no enso be wremo hatofuk achese nempani fono so negotiate say almost some 80 pen on sanso and achese say no young apostles for uns nanoda and goalkeeper France Benjamin Chum enso so 80 flow jam ho enso be pm our Asante Kotoko ntomo per replacement at the ama Benjamin Chum to say almost no boy no and negotiate hatofuk enso so ene Kabiru Muntari enso so no ewo ho achese nkomatwe no enso so 80 ere koso afewuram awani ya Francis Salim Adams aswa ya me pachotie ono so yatese ono so be trials our Moldova enso ekoye trials nyamboa Friday ana Salim Adams Friday no so betima 2 enso so Africa akopium enso so awani ya Francis Moldova enso so etimi akoye nia ye Francis trials okoye na efa no de sika enso so etima bafie of a hatofuk and so any moto Salim Adams no obiansa ebetimi akabi na bibia so no etimi akoso ntani ade ade se no so etimi akoso a yede ehon sam so and so etimi ede eba na bibia so no etimi akoso fe yento so GFA officially almost so etimi announce say opanyina efona say Charles Samson wono and a new head coach and so etimi edema Black Princesses and other just so 80 ekwa yede amon sam so 80 edeba Black Starlight and so 80 wuram ewo Ghana Premier League no and I just omayi clubs no e bia players 2 tima your friend is Dreams FC and I just say omuji player back into 35 players and I just want from and so 80 our camp our mo hwene mo say almost so no e betimi akampo mo na face no almost so 80 aye training na almost so 80 as selected na omuyi Premier League clubs no mo say no chi no almost ababa ambeji eye nia ye friend say eye Division 1 and after divisions no clubs ni bi na so atma be campaign Premier League from from Nyambua 3rd January next year and be so campaign as ni fruwa na after no divisions for no so no abe campaign na me part of my squad no na after hu se city into club no u player ko bia na se so no wetima bompire so no so betimi aka Black Slides camp na bibia so no etima koso kama boy friend say Francis Asante Sinakan Edima Holy Stars Cosmos Mafo Holy Stars player Abubakar Adams any Gilbert Akwasi Mensa Esioma Edima Ediana Stars Benedict Afo any Emmanuel Mama FC Samates Kojo Jesse any boy friend Morris Fuseni Isinakan Edima Legon Cities Collins Osel Ajay any Kevin Apia Sinakan Eddie Emambiche United Zuka Masaudu Ene Rahman Rauf Abdul Young Apostles players Afe Boya Yefona se Felix Osu Ene Rafael Abu Mohammed Brekum Chelsea players Ismail Ato Ene Emmanuel Ofori Heart of Lions Kevin Enso so Esinakan Edema Dreams FC Afe Richard Ajen Ene Boya Yefona se Larry Ayuba Esi Omakan Edema Club Yefona se Accra Lions Sadiq Adams ene Eric Wiafe Tankwa Kara United Nana Kusi Asante ene Edmond Asante Vision FC Bashiru Sharif ene Emmanuel Kwame Osei Mediama Maswood Abdallah ene Moses Opoku Isoma Kairman Nations FC Foster Apetobo ene boya yefana se Benjamin Chivonyo omusoma kan edema Inswatreman Saani Mohammed Kwabena Boaten Heart of Oak Samuel Achampon ene Isaac Adete Go Stars Peter Amedu Akwa ene Solomon Kwesisa Asante Kotoko Sana no so etimi etie inti Heart of Oak 2 players Saani Mohammed Kwabena Boaten Kotoko 2 players Peter Amedu Akwa Solomon Kwesisa according to Swatini almost outfit say open friend is Christopher Enin every Swatini no abano wakache ne club or coaching say when you have family issues inti oba be solve family issues because of that inti or resign from Tima I want to switch my coach in a penny-four and so etimajitum amani resign nemono say na obano na obe coach Tima yefane say FC Samates eno a report aches any sufru hoba yedi ensem no so etimedi ma tifa sem ne doso yemfansia na fe insha ewe next episode yakram